Yeah.
Cruising down the avenue with a funky little frown. Mirror on the low, but your signal's never found. Left turn like a mystery. Did you mean to spin that wheel? Traffic laws of rhythm. Baby, slow down. Feel the beat, feel. Do the signs speak English? Or you reading hieroglyphs? Yellow's a suggestion. Where's the boss? Don't test the script. License in your wallet, but your moves sound like a guess. Hit the brakes, shake the bass, consider refresh. Driving could be better, moving like a lesson. P-funk in the trunk, boom, back in the session. Did you really need to do that? Rewind, confess, confess. Do you know the law? Baby, pass the test, pass the test. Hubcaps tapping feet, speedometers gossiping, whispering slow you roll. Polite like Parliament, but the statute's in control. Yo, where you sleep, driving through the chapter on courtesy. Blinkers optional, nah, that ain't democracy. Road rules ain't suggestions, they're the vinyl to the groove. If your playlist is reckless, better find a smoother move. Seatbelt hums a harmony, keep your cadence tight. Mirror check, shoulder check, get your signals right. If your skills are fading like a mixtape in the sun, consider refresher lessons, learn the moves, son. Driving could be better, grooving like a lesson. Open the trunk, boom, back in the session. You need to do that. Rewind, confess. Do you know the law? Then to pass the test. Pass the test. Where is that? Pass the test. Where is that? So ride with respect, make the city sing along. Turn confusion into rhythm, every lane's a song. From a nearest to finesse, let the learning manifest. Drive smart, play your part. Pass the test, the test. So pass the test. Speeding through the night, shadows fall behind, lost in a reckless race, got no place to hide. Turn your head away, blind to the light, but every move you make could be your last tonight. Oh, can you hear the warning cry? A distant thunder in It's a fight for life, a call for peace. We're all connected and we're not free until we cease to turn the blind eye, to run the fast lane. It's time to change, it's time to seek the way. Drive with belief, drive with grace. Together we can change this place. In this world we're not alone. On the open road we find our home. Slow down before it's too late. We're all in this, there's no escape. Drive with hope, drive with care. Bring the love back to the road we share. No more accidents waiting to happen. Let's hold on, no more breaking the law. Sensible drivers, heart and soul. We're stronger when control. In this world.